Good morning students. In the previous class we studied about stem part of a plant. Today we will talk about leaf part of a plant. So very first, what is leaf? Basically leaf is a green lateral flattened structure borne on stem nodes. Students, as you can see, this flat lateral green structure on any trees is known as leaf. This is most visible part of a plant. Now these are carried by these nodes. As you can see, these nodes on the stem. Next, leaf is most important organs for photosynthesis. Now what is photosynthesis? Basically photosynthesis is a process in which plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight. In next video we will broadly talk about this topic. Next is green color is due to the presence of chlorophyll. Now what is chlorophyll? Basically there is a green pigment present in the leaves of the plant and this is called the chlorophyll. And just because of this chlorophyll the plant leaves are green in color. Okay, with the help of chlorophyll plants are able to use the sunlight to prepare their own food. Okay, they use the chlorophyll and they use the sunlight together to prepare their own food. Okay, now next we will talk about parts of a leaf. The flat green portion of a leaf is called blade or lamina. किसी भी लीफ को अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो फ्लैट ग्रीन जो ऊपर का पोर्शन दिखाई देगा वही ब्लेड या लैमिना कहलाएगा. ओके, ये गैसेस को एक्सचेंज करता है. नाउ सी इन दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज लैमिना. ओके, दिस अपर पोर्शन इज लैमिना. नाउ second is the lamina is attached to the stem by a short stalk called petiole. बेसिकली वो पार्ट जहाँ पे किसी स्टेम से लीफ स्ट्रक्चर स्टार्ट होता है उसे हम पेटियोल कहते हैं. इट सपोर्ट्स लैमिना. देयर आर सम अदर प्लांट्स विच डू नॉट हैव पेटियोल लाइक wheat, grass, maize, etc. These are the plants which are not having the petiole. Next, petiole continues in the leaf as the midrib. किसी भी लीफ को जो सेंटर जो उसकी लाइन होती है उसको हम मिडरिप कहते हैं. ओके, ये पेटियोल से कनेक्ट होती है. दिस इज अ वेन ऑफ लीफ. एज यू कैन सी दिस इज अ मिडरिप. ओके, इन द गिवन पिक्चर दिस इज अ मिडरिप. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ बैकबोन ऑफ अ लीफ and it's provide and support the leaf and it conduct water and nutrients in a leaf through both side of veins present on it. Now if you closely observe a leaf, okay, like the given leaf you can see, if you will closely observe it, then what you will notice, you will see that some lines are there on the both side of the midrib. Okay, and these lines are called veins. Okay, as you can see these are veins. Now this complete design or network made by veins is called leaf venation. Okay, this complete network or you can say this complete pattern of design is called the leaf venation. Okay, now basically this is an arrangement of veins in the lamina. You can find it on only on the lamina and it is of two types. Remember, it is of two types. First is reticulate venation and second is parallel venation. So now firstly let's see what is reticulate venation. Veins are irregularly arranged on both sides of midrib to form a network. Okay, basically these patterns are not in definite shape. This kind of pattern you will find. Okay, these are irregularly shaped pattern and you must have observed this kind of pattern in hibiscus, rose or people leaves. Okay, people plant we call it, or you can take example of banyan leaves. So these are the examples of reticulate venation. Now next is parallel venation. Veins are parallel to one another. Okay, in this pattern veins run parallel to one another. You must have seen this kind of pattern in bamboo, banana, cereals and grasses. So this was all about the structure of leaves. In next video we will talk about functions of leaves.